Friends, my name is Karthikoda. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and I am going to explain about the four-stroke diesel engine. Capacity is 23 CS 2519 in the subject Introduction of Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. Title: Demystify of four-stroke diesel engine, unveiling the inner working and advantages. Introduction: It is professional. We will demystify the four-stroke diesel engine by unveiling its inner working and advertisements. We will explore the key components and proceed that make this technology so vital in various industries. Understanding the four-stroke cycle. The four-stroke cycle consists of intake, compression power, and exhaust strokes. Each stroke plays a crucial role in the engine's operation, contributing to its efficiency and power output. Inner workings of diesel engine. The combustion process is a diesel engine involves the compression of air followed by the injection of fuel. This creates a controlled explosion that drives the piston, generate power to propel the vehicle or machinery. Advantages in diesel engine technology. Modern diesel engine has benefited from advancement in turbocharging, common rail fuel injection, and emission control technologies. These in innovations have improved performance, fuel efficiency, and environmental impact. Application of four-stroke diesel engine. Four-stroke diesel engines are widely used in commercial vehicles, marine vessels, power generation, and agricultural machinery. Their robustness and fuel efficiency make the in, indispensable in various industrial sectors. Conclusion: Throughout the presentation, we have uncovered the intricate working of four-stroke diesel engine of and explored their technology advancement. These engines continue to drive program across diverse industries, reducing power and efficiency.